What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment while at the same time doing it myself. Okay. In this video, I'm going to run down talk about passive income, how you can create passive income streams, and start kind of living that life and doing what you want to at the same time while making money. Okay. Throughout any of this video, if you get any kind of content, any kind of value, anything that's valuable to you, make sure you like this video and comment below. All right, guys. So passive income. What is passive income? Let's say, for example, you want to go to the store, or you want to go on an elaborate vacation to Paris or to Australia or somewhere, Canada, or to the Bahamas, right? If you're working a regular 9-to-5 job, you cannot get paid if you're not there, unless you're salary, but then you still have a certain amount of vacation days that you can take, right? When you're making passive income, you can basically, or you give yourself an unlimited amount of time to spend and do whatever you want to do because you're making money while you're doing it. Okay. So it's basically why you're making money while you sleep. You're making money while you're on vacation. You're making money while you're at your mom's house doing nothing. You're making money while you're playing video games, right? So creating passive income, let me correct myself, creating multiple passive income streams is a wonderful thing to have if you want freedom in your life and to do whatever you want to do. Okay. I'm not knocking the 9-to-5 job because right now I have one myself right now. I'm not knocking, having a part-time job. I'm not knocking any of that. I'm just here to kind of educate you, and share my experiences with passive income thus far. Okay. So one stream of income, or one, strategy for you to create passive income streams is YouTube. Right? I'm using YouTube right now. I'm still kind of new to it, but as you can probably tell, I'm still trying to get used to the whole platform. I'm still kind of nervous, still kind of awkward on camera, or still, stumbled like I just did. But YouTube is a great way to make passive income. Okay. And not just ad revenue, but multiple different ways of income passively. Okay. But for ad revenue, YouTube came out with a policy last year where it states in order for you to monetize your channel, when I say monetize, I mean in order for you to make money from posting videos and posting content on YouTube, you have to meet a certain criteria, right? And YouTube's criteria is that you have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you also have to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time for your channel. Okay. All of this has to be within a time span of a year. You have to get all of that. Okay. And if you get that, maybe a year and 2 months, I mean, you don't have to do it from January to December, right? You can do from Feb to Feb, or from March to, it doesn't have to be a regular traditional calendar year or calendar fiscal year, but as long as you get 1,000 subscribers within a year's time, as well as 4,000 watch hours within a year's time, you're eligible to monetize your channel, right? So after you reach that eligibility criteria, you'll then be able to post content and allow advertisements to be placed before your video. So, you see ads before a certain video. That person who that ad played before, the person who made that video, if there's an ad before that video starts, they get a certain commission or a certain amount of money for ad revenue. Okay. So that's like that's passive income. Let's say, like, for instance, this video here. If I made this video right now in February 2019, let's say by the end of this year, I'm at 1,400, 4,000 watch hours, right? And then once I place my ads here, or once someone places my ad before this video, I can start earning passive income off of that. So you see what I'm saying? So I've done the work now, but I'm going to reap the rewards and passive income later. Okay. So that's one thing to keep in mind about passive income. Passive income is usually when you do and put in work right now at the front and don't get much results, but after you keep consistently doing action, committing consistent action, that's when you start reaping the rewards and results. Okay. And that's one thing you can do with YouTube, as if you want to make it a passive income when you're just looking at the ad revenue. Okay. Another source of passive income will be affiliate marketing. That's another system, another strategy that I'm using to start creating multiple streams of passive income this year. With affiliate marketing, let's keep using YouTube as an example. You use affiliate marketing is where you will take a product that someone else has created, and you find an audience that needs that product, and you give it to them. Okay, the person who made that product will give you a commission, right? They'll pay you a commission based off that sale that you made to the audience that you connected the product to. All right. So let's say I bought a $200, or let's say that someone created a $200 course that helps do something X, Y, and Z for a particular audience. And I say, hey, audience, there's a course out here that will teach you how to fix the problem you're having for $200. How about you buy this course? And the person who made the course is paying 10% commissions to the affiliate marketer. So I made one sale of $200. I get 10% on the $200 sale. I make $20, right? That's passive income. I watch a video. Maybe I'll post a Facebook ad, a social media ad, or write a blog on it, set it there and go. Right. And then later on, at any time of the day, any time of the year, a month, whatever, someone can come and purchase this course and I will receive a commission. Okay. It's very simple. Don't overthink it. Just take consistent action. That's one of the biggest things we have to, and I'm still learning this myself. I have to get over, I have to say, hey, I have to continue taking consistent action. Continue taking consistent action no matter the short-term results. Okay. Keep taking consistent action for long-term results. Okay. I'm going to show you a system, the actual system that I'm using. This is a system called Funnel X ROI. This system here teaches you how to make $300 per day. It's a $300 per day system, and it's a done for you system. So the system is already put together by its founder. All you have to do is set it all up and then drive traffic to people who needs this product. Okay. So if you're someone who's looking to make money online, making passive income online, then this system will teach you or help you fix that problem or meet that need that you desire. Okay. And so then when I connect that, this product to the audience that needs it, then I get a commission, when they purchase the product. Okay. So, it's not like a scam. It's nothing that you should, be weary of. It's just a product that you can use to get to where you want to get to. Okay. And as an affiliate marketer, I can make a commission off of this. Okay. And by the way, if you want to check this out, check it out in the link in the description. It'll be my #1 link. Okay. But another source where you can find products to be an affiliate marketer for is ClickBank. ClickBank, everyone knows about ClickBank. It has a marketplace of products that vendors and product creators are selling out there that affiliate marketers like myself can grab and promote to a specific audience and make a certain amount of commission. So it's ClickBank. There's another one called JVZoo. JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Okay. So it's just three, this one here, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. These are all, affiliate offer, platforms where you can get certain offers and start promoting it to, people who need these products and get a commission. Okay. And then the system I have, if you want this system, this is a system where you can make an unlimited amount of money that's done for you. You don't have to do as much work. There's multiple streams of income here already compiled for you. All you need to do is set it up. It takes 15 minutes to set up and then drive traffic. Okay. So this system is where if you want to really make real good money, you need to get this system. Okay. With ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus, you can make some good money there, but products come and go and you have to promote multiple products to start making real money like this one. Okay. But you don't have to do it at all. I'm not pressuring you. Just check it out if you want to. But guys, that's just 2 ways where you can make passive income, with YouTube ad revenue, with being an affiliate marketer. You can also do some traditional ways. You can invest into stocks. Invest into stocks now, maybe 5 years down the line. you can start drawing dividends a month, depending on what stocks you purchase. Some companies give 2 or 3% a month of dividends. So that's recurring passive income that you can get every month. You can also just get a high interest savings account. Goldman Sachs, I think they have like a 2.2% for the year. I mean, that's high compared to all the interest rates that other banks are giving. So there's a lot of areas and a lot of ways that you can make a passive income, but affiliate marketing and then YouTube, those are right now and for 2019, very popular ways to making passive income, and making a good amount of passive income to kind of supplement or replace a full-time income. So guys, check the link out in the description. Like I said earlier, if you want to learn how to really, take control of affiliate marketing and take control of passive income and creating these passive income streams for yourself, check out that first link in the description. Okay, I'm not trying to push this on you. I'm just saying check it out, and it might meet you where you are or help you get to where you want to get. Okay. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel if you are not already subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you for being part of my community, and thank you for being loyal. So I appreciate it. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video if it's giving you some value, as well as comment below. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you later. Peace.